children, today I will teach you lesson 15 civics, market around us. First, look at the important term, page number 169. Market, a place where things are sold and purchased. मार्केट किसे कहते हैं? जहाँ वस्तुओं का लेन देन या क्रय विक्रय होता है वह स्थान मार्केट कहलाता है। एनीवेयर, कहीं भी आपका मार्केट, यहाँ भी हम और आप यदि कोई चीज़ ले दें तो वह भी स्थान एक मार्केट कहलाएगा। तो मार्केट, अ प्लेस वेयर थिंग्स आर सोल्ड एंड परचेस्ड आर एक्सचेंज। रिटेलर, a trader who keeps stocks of articles in small quantities to be sold to consumers. रिटेलर दोनों होते हैं, फुटकर दुकानदार आपने सुना होगा, जो वस्तुओं को देकर थोड़ी थोड़ी चीज़ें बेचते हैं। होलसेलर, a trader who keeps articles in bulk quantities for sale, जो बड़ी मात्रा में वस्तुओं को बेचते हैं, खरीदते हैं, वो होलसेलर कहलाते हैं। Exchange, a market is a place where the buyers and sellers meet and conduct buying and selling activities. There are two types of market, wholesale and retail market. In a wholesale market, goods are traded in bulk, while in a retail market, goods are sold in small. Now, important of a market. Marketing establishes a link between the producer and consumers through traders. Traders buy finished goods from the producer and sell them to the consumer. Market is not about selling things alone. It also involves many other activities such as identifying buyers, finding out their preferences, persuading them to buy goods, negotiation, the term of sale, mode of delivery, and term of payments, and after sale services. Benefits of market. It generates employment in the production and distribution sector. It helps in developing economic resources of the country. It makes large-scale production of goods possible, which is very cost-effective. Fourth, it treats the customer as the most important person and attempts to satisfy this need by designing products as per his demand. It also generates revenue in the process of buying and selling and bring in profits. Retail markets in our everyday needs. We need and buy many things in our daily life. As soon as we get up in the morning, we want tea and newspaper. Then we need toothpaste and toothbrush to clean our teeth, soap, shampoo, oil and cream to freshen ourselves, and comb to dress our hair. We also need garments to wear and get ready for the day's work. We have breakfast before the leaving for work, and for this we need eatable like bread, butter, egg, cheese, jam, tea, coffee or milk. The list of products is quite long as per the type of our daily work. Children need books, notebooks, stationery, stock for their school. Employed people also require many articles according for their jobs. All these things are available in the retail market. often situated close by. There are many shops in the market which cater to our diverse needs. In a retail market, we find a specialization of commodities. There are separate shops for vegetables, fruits, confectionery, cold drinks, sweet, grocery, stationery, etc. Some retail markets have service shop also stock barbers, tailoring, dry cleaning, auto repairing, electronics repairing, chemist shop, doctors, clinic, etc. Retail market opens 6 days a week, usually between 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. The chemist shop, however, remains open for more time so that medicines are available for patients. Thus, a market in our neighborhood provides useful service to us. Factor affecting people's access to market. People's access to market depends on the following factors. First, availability of things, convenience, credit, quality, price, income, cycle. Now, next day.